Hello everyone, welcome to our show. Today I'm going to try mutton chops and I've got 1 kg of goat chops here. So let's get started. First let's prepare the masala. So I've got a small pan. Turn on the heat and then I've got 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds. Let's add it and fry it. Yeah, just after 30 seconds I've got little whole pepper and cumin seeds and I'm adding it, and again just fry it for another few seconds. And I've got 8 red chilies, I'm adding that, and again just fry it until they turn little dark color. Just less than a minute, just fry it and then we can turn off the heat. Now let's turn off the heat, and I have got everything into a mixer jar, and also I have got half a cup of shredded coconut. Let's add our shredded coconut also into this mixer jar, and then I'm going to grind it now. Add little bit of water so that it will be easy to grind, and also it will look like a masala paste. So now I have grinded it and our masala is ready. And to cook our mutton chops I'm going to use a pressure cooker today. So just keep it and turn on the heat, and then I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. And I've got a little bay leaf, fennel seeds, cloves and cinnamon stick. Just add one by one. Just let it fry for a few seconds. And now I'm adding ginger garlic paste. Just saute it for a while. And I've got 2 medium-sized onions cut into small pieces, and let's add it. And let's fry these onions until they turn into light brown in color. Now the onions are fried, and now I've got like 3 medium-sized tomatoes cut into small pieces, and let's add it and just fry it until the tomatoes are getting cooked, another 5 minutes. So the tomatoes also cooked. I'm adding salt now, so I'm adding 3 tablespoons, and then 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and just mix it well. And then we can add the meat now. Just mix it well. And let it cook for a couple of minutes, and after a couple of minutes we can add our masala paste that we prepared earlier. And mix it completely. And also I'm adding 1 cup of water. In that I'm using that same masala jar, so that's why you see that color. And now we can close it with the lid. add the weight and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes, or until you get like 4 to 5 whistles also is fine, so that our goat will be cooked properly. So that's the fourth whistle and it's been 30 minutes. So I'm going to turn off the heat and let it cool down for 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. Yeah, the pressure has come down. Let's open it. Oh, there's our mutton. So now I'm going to transfer this to a pan. So now I have transferred it to a pan and I'm going to cook it for another 10 more minutes just to get that thick gravy consistency. And also you can taste the gravy now. See, if you want to adjust the salt level, you can do it. Or if you want to make it a little more spicy, you can add pepper powder also to make it a little spicy. So let it cook for 10 more minutes and occasionally keep stirring it. And in the meantime, for seasoning, I'm just taking a small pan, add little oil and just heat it for a while. So once the oil is hot, let's add few mustard seeds and few curry leaves. And now we can add it to our mutton gravy and just mix it well. Looks like our chops is ready. It looks so good. So we can turn off the heat now. That's it, guys. Our mutton chops is ready. I'm turning off the heat. So there's our mutton chops ready to be served. Very good dish with white rice. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys.